Hey gang, it's old Pirate Larry and welcome back to Ratfink TV. I got some exciting news for all you Ratfink fans. Ratfink TV is officially hitting the road for the 2026 Ratfink TV Tour. Over the next few weeks, I'll be traveling along with Cody, Amber, and the rest of the crew to 4 of the biggest custom car shows in the country. We're starting at the Dallas Autorama, then heading to Daryl Starbird's custom car show in Tulsa, then up to the Detroit Autorama, and finishing strong at the Chicago World of Wheels. I'll be in the Ratfink booth, meeting fans, signing stuff, and filming tons of content for Ratfink TV. The cars, the artists, the stories, and all the wild creativity that makes the culture what it is. And to get everybody warmed up, I'll be releasing some special videos, including a full playlist of 29 Ratfink artist interviews coming out later this week. So make sure you're subscribed, hit that button, and get ready. The 2026 Ratfink TV Tour is about to roll out. Come out and see us, and remember to always stay finky.